वाळपय नगरपालिकेन पालिका वाठारांत दुचाकी, चारचाकी आनी हेर गाडयो पार्किंग करपा खातीर जागो तयार केला. रस्त्याच्या दोनय वाटेन वचत थंय गाडयो उबे करतात. ताचो परिणाम रस्त्यावयल्यान येरादारी करपी गाडयांक तशेंच रस्त्या देगेन पांय वाटेन चलपी लोकांक खूब त्रास जाता. जायते फावट रस्त्यान येरादारी करपी गाडयो रस्त्यारच शिरकान उरतात आनी येरादारी ठप्प जाता. म्हणून हो निर्णय घेतला अशें वाळपयचे पालिकेची नगराध्यक्षा परवीण शेखान सांगले.
For the four-wheeler parking, also two-wheeler parking, and for no parkings. See, I'll just read out the plan out. What you want? Okay. For the four-wheeler parking, it's from the Communities Health Center up to the WRD office on left-hand side. From Civil Court up to compound of Government Marathi High School, in front of Upper Complex, Masodam Road along the compound of Church of Our Lady on right-hand side. Opposite to Goa Bhayda to Shirodkar House on right hand side, along the road opposite to Mehnat store to Ajiz's house, Shah House on right hand side. This was all for the four-wheeler parking, and now for the two-wheeler parking. In front of Marathi High School on left hand side, in front of Lakshmi Bai Hall, in front of administrative commercial building of EMC, in front of Municipal Garden, in front of Municipal Market building on right hand side, in front of Municipal Market building along the Masodam Road on right hand side, from the gate of the church up to Kalangutkar Park. From Shah Medical Store to the Maldu Temple on right hand side, in front of Raikar building up to Jama Masjid Valpoi on left hand side. Now for the no parking areas. From Municipal Stage up to Valpoi Police Station on right hand side of Nagargaon Road. From Pednekar Shop to opposite Valpoi Police Station on left hand side of Nagargaon Road. From Umesh Manerkar House up to in front of Fatima Convent School on left hand side. From Kudgar Shop up to Sheldon House on left hand side. So these are the places which are identified for two-wheeler, four-wheeler and no parking areas. You know, the signboards are also installed on these places.
वाळपय नगरपालिकेन गाडयो उबे करून दवरपा खातीर तयार केल्लो जागो तात्पुरतो आसा. लोकांचे म्हणणे आयकून घेतले उपरांत मागीर कायमचो गाडयो उबे करपा खातीर जागो म्हूण जाहीर करतले अशें वाळपयची नगराध्यक्षा परवीण शेखान सांगले.
Taking into consideration everyone, maybe the roads, police, traffic, Mamledar, council body, everything. So keeping everything in mind, we have planned out all this. Draft plan is planned out. So we are waiting from public if there are any changes to be done. If some changes has to be done, the things will be done needfully.